Hello students, welcome to Prayashoji YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is code language, and in this one digits for the digits that we are going to see, and the exercise 10.4 which is available in our Navneet digest. So there are some model questions. So question number 1 is there. In a code, the number 357357 is written as 213261. Then how will you write the number 642? Now, if you make the grouping of the two digits here, so means here the 3 is a split in this one, means 3 can be split in 2 plus 1, so that's why 2 and 1 digit taken. Then 5 can be split in a 3 and 2, means 3 plus 2 we are getting 5. Same here, 6 can be split in 6 and additions of the 1, so 6 1 is there. Now like this one, from the available options, so 6 can be split in option number 1, there is a 32, so it cannot be possible. Then option number 2, 2 4 is there, so it can be possible. And option number 3, 4 and 2, so it can be 4 and 2. And then option number 2, 2 and 4, it can be possible. Then next digit 4 can be split in as per the option number 2, 3 1, it can possible. 3 plus 1 4. And option number 3, 1 3, so 1 plus 3 also can possible. Then 2 can be split in option number 2, that is a 2 and 1, so 2 plus 1 cannot be, so that's why option number 2 we should not consider. Then option number 3, that is a 11, so means 1 plus 1 2 is possible, so that's why option number 3 means 4 2 1 3 and 1 1, so that's why option number 3 is a correct one. Then question number 2, in a code language 2 is called 5, then 3 is called 4 and 7 is called 9. Then 3 plus 2 multiplied by 7, so 3 is called 4, so we will replace it with the 4. Then plus 2 is called 5, so 2 can be replaced to the 5, and multiply by this 7 is called 9, so it can replace to the 9. So 4 plus this 5 multiplied by 9, so multiplication we will do first. So 4 plus this 45, so means 4 plus 45, that is the 49, and 49 is given in option number 2. Then question number 3, in a code, so 8 is equals to 64, 9 is equals to 81, 10 is equals to 100, so what is the 15? So actually 8 square is a 64, 9 square is a 81, and 10 square is a 100, so like this 15 square is a 222. This is available in option number 4. Then question number 4, in a code the consecutive numbers are indicated respectively by consecutive prime numbers, means that is a in replacing with a prime number, but that is in consecutive means that is a comes in a sequentially, okay, one by one, so means 1 2 3 4. Then how you will solve the expression 5 plus 13 by 2? So we have to replace these numbers with the prime numbers consecutively. So if you see that one, so now these are the prime numbers and we have to replace with the consecutive numbers. So 1 2 3 4, if you write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so first prime number is a 2, so, then second is a 3, then 5, then 7, 11, 13, and this 17. So 5 can replace with a 3, so 3 will be here, plus 13 can replace to the 6, so 6, and divided by 2 is replaced to the 1, so divided by 1, so 6 divided by means that is a 6, so this additions and the 3 should be there as it is, so 3 plus 9, that is a 9, and 9 is given in option number 2. Then question number 5, in the code language 5877, so 5 8 7 and 7 is written as 2 1, then 1 4 and 1 0. So first digit, which is a 5, so if you subtract 3 from this 5, we will get 5 minus 3, this 2, then 8 plus 3 we are getting this 11, then 7 minus 3 we are getting this 4, and 7 plus 3 we are getting this 10, means that is a minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3. This sequence we have to do. So same we have to apply for the 6, 3, 8 and the 1. So 6 minus 3 here the plus 3, here minus 3 and here the plus 3. So 6 minus 3 that is a 3, 3 plus 3 that is a 6 and 8 minus 3 that is a 5 and 1 plus 3 that is a 4. So 3654 and 3654 is given in option number 1. We are going to see the exercise 10.4 which is available on page number 240. There is a question number 1. In a code 3 is equals to 15, 8 is equals to 40, then 10 is equals to 5. So means 3 is multiplied by 5, we are getting this 15. So 8 multiplied by 5, we are getting this 40. Then 10 multiplied by 5, we are getting this 50. How will you write the number 15? So 15 equals to how much? So 15 multiplied by 5, so that is a 75. So we can write it 75. So 75 is given in option number 3. Then question number 2. For question number 2 and 3, some mathematical expressions are given. So there is a if triangle is equals to additions of the 10. So there are some expressions are given. So 30, then this triangle and then this square is equals to 52. So triangles having this value plus 10. So 30 plus 10, then this square is equals to 52. So 30 plus 10 means that is a 40 and then this square, then this 52. So now square is equals to 52 minus this 40 means that is a 12. So this having the value 12. So this value we will put it in another expression with that is a 40 and then this square and the circle is equals to 66. So 40 plus this 12, square's value is a 12 already we find out on, and then this circle is as it is equals to 66. So this is a 40 plus 12, so that is a 52. Then this circle is equals to 66. Now this circle is equals to 66 minus 52. So that is equals to the 14. So means we are getting this square is equals to 12 and this circle is equals to 14 and this triangle is equals to 10. So these three symbols and respective numbers we got. Now on this basis, question number 2 and question number 3 we are going to solve. So in question number 2, that is a 3, then circle and the triangle. So 3 circles value is a 14 plus this 14 and then plus this triangle is a 10. So this 24 plus 3 that is a 27 and 27 is given in option number 3. Now question number 3, so that is a 15, then this square and the circle is equals to how much? Now as we know, triangle is equals to 10 already we have seen, square is a 12 and the circle is a 14. So square is a 12 and circle is a 14. So as per this one, 15 plus this square is a 12 plus this circle is a 14. So now from this one we are getting the 41. So 41 is available in option number 2. Now question number 4. In a code, the number 289 is represented as 12, then 24 and 33. How will you write the number 8, 4 and the 6? Now if you see this number means making the group of this 2 digit, here to 2 digit and here the 2 digit. The multiplication of this 2 digit we are getting this 2. So here also multiplication of this 2 digit we are getting this 8. So 3 3s are we are getting 9. Means these 2 digits multiplication is here and the number forming from this digit is written as. So like this one, from the options we have to choose the correct numbers. Means from option number 1, 24. So 2 4s are 8. Yes, we are getting. Then followed this one 22. So 2 2s are 4. But that is also can be possible. But the last 3 3s mentioned. So 3 multiplied by 3 that is a 9. But here the 6 mentioned. So that's why option number 1 is incorrectly. Then option number 2, 4 4, then 2 2 and 4 2. So 2 4s are 16. So but we require the 8. So that's why option number 2 also cannot. Then option number 3, the number 2 4, then 2 2 and 3 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. So this can be possible. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 5. In a code, the number 93 is written as a 3. Then 42 is written as a 2 and 255 is written as a 5. So how will you write the number 644 as? So 9 is a square of the 3, so that's why this is 3, or we can say 9 divided by 3 means this is the 3. So like this one, 2 is a square of the 2, or 4 divided by 2 we are getting 2. So likewise this 25 is a square of this 5, or we can say 25 divided by this 5 we are getting 5. So like this 64 is a 64 divided by this 4, so we are getting this 16. So 16 is available in option number 1. Then question number 6. In a code language, the 76 is equals to 19, then 48 is equals to 20, then 35 is equals to 13. Likewise, where to find out the 63 is equals to how much? Then if you add this two digit means 7 plus this 6, and again this last digit we have to add, or we can say this unit place digit we have to add twice times. Okay, so this is a 2 times, then we are getting the 19 means which is this number. So same like this one, 8 2s is a 16 means 2 times we have to add, and then additions of this 4, so we are getting 20. Same here also, 5 2s are 10 means 2 times 5 we have to add, and then additions of this 3 means 13 we are getting. So same 3 multiplied by 2 means that is a 6, and then additions of this 6, so we are getting the 12, and 12 is given in option number 4. Then question number 7. In a code language, 5 is called as a 4, then 3 is called as a 7, then 4 is called as a 2. Then in the same language, 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to how much? So 5 we are calling as a 4, so 5 will be as a 4, then this multiplication sign and addition sign as it is, then 7 as a 3 as a 7, and 4 as a 2. So multiplication we will do first. So 2 plus 7 for the 28, and then 2 plus 28, that is a 30, and 30 is given in option number 3. Then question number 8. In a code, 43 is equals to 64, then 34 is equals to 81, then 53 is equals to 125. Then how will you write the number 19 in this code? So 4 and 3, so this unit place means the 3, that is the times of the multiplication of this 4 self. So 4, this number we have to multiply with the self number, but that is a 3 times, so that is a 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So means this is a 3 is showing that a multiplication times, so that is a 64. So likewise 3 we have to multiply by this 3 with in a 4 times, so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and then multiply by 3. 3's cube is 27, 27 3s are 81. Like this 5 multiplied by this 5 multiplied by this 5 means 3 times we have to multiply this 5 with a self 5 number, so we are getting 25. Likewise 1, this digit we have to multiply by 9 times, means if we multiply this 1 any multiple times we are getting the answer, that is a 1. So that's why 19 can be write as a in code language, that is a 1. So 1 is given in option number 1. Then question number 9. In a code, the number 73 is written as 743, then 61 is written as 6, 5 and 1, then 52 is written as 5, 3, 2. Then how will you write the number 91? So in this one, 7 and the 3, these 3 digits are always be kept as it is, but in between this one the difference is getting this digit we have to add in this one. So means 7 and the 4, and inside that is a difference, so the number formation is 743. like this one, 6 and 1 having the difference, that is a 5, and this 2 digit as it is. 5 and 3 difference is a 3, and this 5 and the 2 this digit as it is. So like this, 9 and the 1 digit as it is, and this difference between 9 and the 1, that is a 8. So means 9, 8, 1, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 10, 152 is written as 516, then 564 as a 928, then 395 as a 7, 5 and 9. Then how will you write the number 274? So if you see 1 plus 4, we are getting this digit 5, then 5 minus 4, we are getting this 1, then 2 plus 4, we are getting this 6, means plus 4, then minus 4, and then plus 4. This is the criteria. So plus 4 in a 100th place value, then minus 4 in a tens value, and plus 4 in a unit place value. So like this, here the plus 4, the same digit we are finding, then 6 minus 4, 2 we are getting, then 4 plus 4 we are getting the 8. Same here also, 3 plus 4, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, then 5 plus 4, 9. So same we have to apply here. 2 plus 4, we are getting 6. So 7 minus 4, we are getting the 3, and the 4 plus 4, we are getting the 8. So that is written as a 638, and 638 is given in option number 1. Then question number 11, 143 can be written as a 341, then 975 is equal to 579, then 268 is written as 862. Then how will you write the number 576 is equals to in this code? So if you see, the digits are the same, means here 143, here is 143, but the sequence is a changing, means 3, the number starting from this unit place, and then tens, and then 100. So this unit place will be converted as a 100 place. 4 is keep it as the same in the tens and the tens, and 1 is keeping at the unit place, means the reverse formations. So same here also, 9 will be going in the last, the 7 in the middle same as it is, and 5 which is at the last, that is coming in the first from the left side, that is also we can say. So same here also, so same we have to apply here. So first digit will be the 6, then 7 middle as it is, and the 5 will be goes and the last one, means 675, and 675 is given in option number 3. Then question number 12, in a code language, 5 is equals to 13, then 7 is equals to 19, 8 is equals to 22, then 1 is equals to how much? Then if you multiply by 3 to the 5, we are getting the 15, and then minus 2, we are getting 13. So same, multiply this to the 7, so we are getting the 21, and then minus 2, we are getting this 19. So same here also, 8 multiplied by 3, we are getting the 24, and then minus 2, the 22. Same here, 1 multiplied by 3, we are getting the 3, and then minus 2, means that is a 1. So answer is a 1, and 1 is given in option number 3. Question number 13, in a code 583 is equals to 16, then 812 is equals to 11, then 364 is equals to 13. What is the value of 974 in this code? So if you add all these digits, means 5 plus 8 plus 3, we are getting this 16 as additions, and we are replacing as a equals to this one. So 8 plus 1 plus 2, we are getting 11. So 3 plus this 6 plus 4, that is a 13. So likewise, 9 plus 7, 16 plus this 4, means that is a 20, and 20 is given in option number 1. In a code, 2 is equals to 4, 4 is equals to 6, 6 is equals to 9. So 6 multiplied by 2 plus 4. So we will replace the 6 which is equals to the 9. So 9 multiplied by this 2, 2 is equals to the 4. and this addition, then 4 is equals to 6. So multiplication we will do first. So 9 fours are, that is a 36, and then plus 6. So 36 plus 6 means that is a 42, and 42 is given in option number 3. Now question number 15. In a code, the number 42 is written as a 4, then 63 as a 9, then 71 as a 36. Then how will you write the 90 in this code? So the difference in between these two digits is a 2, and 2 square is a this 4. Same here also, 6 and 3 having the difference 3, and 3 square is 9 here. So same here also, 7 and the 1 having the difference 6, and 6 square number is a 36. So here also 9 and the 0, the difference is a 9, and 9 square is a 81. So 81 is given in option number 4. Then question number 16. In a code, 134 is equals to 12, then 524 is equals to 40, and 732 is equals to 42. So where to find out the 249 is equals to how much? So if you multiply this, all the digits, means 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, so we are getting this 12. So same here also, 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 means 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 10 multiplied by 4, that is a 40. Same here also, 7 multiplied by 3, that is a 21, 21 multiplied by 2, that is a 42. So here also 2 multiplied by 4, that is a 8, and 8 multiplied by 9, that is a 72, and 72 is given in option number 3. Then question number 17. In a code language, 1 is called 5, then 3 is called 7, then 4 is called 9, and 2 is called 6. Then 1 multiplied by these 2 additions of these 3 is equals to how much? So 1 is called 5, so we will replace with this one, multiply by 2 is called 6, and then additions 3 is called as a 7. So this multiplication we will do first. So 5 6 are, that is a 30, and then additions of this 7. So 30 plus 7, that is a 37, and 37 is given in option number 4. Thank you.